Welcome back to our English class for this week, and let's start with a good morning song. Remember? Let's go! Okay, we're going to sing the good morning song. Ready? Good morning, dear children. Good morning, how are you? I'm very glad to see you and say hello to you. Para-pa-pam, 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 para-pa-pam. Excellent, good job! Now look at the sky. Who is in the sky today? Yes, Mrs. Cloud. It is cloudy today. The sun is hiding behind the clouds. Excellent. So, yes, it is cloudy today. Mr. Sun is hiding behind the clouds. So, everybody hiding. Excellent. Now we're going to sing the cloudy song. Okay? Today is cloudy because the sun is hiding behind the clouds. Behind the clouds. Excellent, yay! Good job! Now we're going to start with a review about colors, right? Colors. Here I have so many colors and we have a rainbow. Yes, these colors make the rainbow. So we're going to see which colors I can find in the rainbow. Ready? Yes? Okay, let's start. Now, which is this color? Yes, it's red color. Look at red. Where is red? Is it red? No, it isn't. Is it red? No, I don't think so. Is it red? Yes, it is. This is the red color. The color is red. Excellent. Red, red. The color is red. Red like the pencil. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is red. What is red? Show me something that is red. Here I have a basket that is red. Excellent. Now at home you are going to show me something that is red. Good. Now we're going to continue with the next color. What is this color? Yeah, yellow. The color is yellow. Look at yellow. This is yellow. Yellow. Yellow, yellow. The color is yellow. Yellow like the sun. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is yellow. Now show me something yellow. Here I have this. This is yellow. Look at. Now show me at home something that is yellow. Excellent. Now we are going to continue with the next color. What is this color? What is the color? Yeah, the color is blue. Excellent. Blue. Look at, what is the blue color here? This one? No, it isn't. This one? No. This one? Yes. The color is blue. Blue, blue. The color is blue. Blue like this pencil. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is blue. What is blue? Show me something that is blue. Look at. Here I have this squid. Is blue. Look at the squid. Excellent. Now you should show me something at home that is blue. Ready? Excellent. Now we're going to continue with the next color. Look at. What is the color? Yeah, the color is green. Excellent. Look at green. Green, green. The color is green. Green like this pencil. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is green. Look at, I have this Mr. Crocodile is green. Now show me something at home that is green. Ready? So let's continue with the next color. What is the color? Yes, the color is orange. Look at orange. Orange, orange. The color is orange. Orange like the pencil. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is orange. Show me something that is orange. Look at, I have a tiger here that is orange. My tiger is orange. Excellent. Now at home, show me something that is orange. Ready? Yeah, excellent. Now we continue with the next color. Look at. What is the color? Yeah, purple. Look at purple. Purple. The color is purple. Here, what is the purple color? This one? No. This one? This one? This one, yes, the color is purple. Purple, purple, the color is purple. Purple like the pencil. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is purple. Show me something that is purple. Look at my pants are purple. Now show me something that is purple. Ready? Yeah. Good job. Now we're going to see another colors that are in here, okay? So, look at, what is this color? What is the color? Yeah, the color is brown. Excellent. Brown, brown, the color is brown. Brown like the teddy bear. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is brown. Now show me something that is brown. Look at around your room and show me what is brown. Like my teddy bear. Excellent. Ready? Okay. Next color. Pink. What is the color? Yeah, the color is pink. Look at pink. Pink, pink. The color is pink. Pink like my bear. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is pink. Now show me something that is pink. Ready? Excellent. Now what about this color? What is this color? Yeah, the color is gray. Excellent. Gray. Gray, gray. The color is gray. Gray like Igor. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is gray. Now show me something gray that you have around you. What things are gray like Igor? Ready? Excellent. What is this color? What is the color? Yeah, the color is black. Excellent. Black. Look at black. Good job. Black, black. The color is black. Black, like my shoe. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is black. Now, this shoe is black. Now, show me something around you that is black. What is black? Yeah, excellent. Now we're going to do the last color. Look at. What is the color? Yeah, the color is white. Look at white. Good job. White, white. The color is white. White like the sheep. Look around and what do you see? What do you see is white. What is white? Show me something that is white. Ready? Excellent. Yay! Good job. I'm really happy that you liked the activity. So, see you later. Bye-bye. See you in the next activity. Let's continue with our class in the next video. See you.